Hello children, hope you all are doing good. Children, do you know about the forest? Have you seen? You might be heard about the um, so many forest while going from one village to another village or one town to another town. You are going to see the forest beside the road, isn't it? A child named Sita, she is living with her family in the outskirts of the jungle or a forest. Hmm? So, not only her family is living in the outskirts of the forest, there are so many families are living over there beside Sita's home. Okay, so Sita, she is going to introduce us about the forest. Okay, shall we start with that? Okay. See, now she is showing you the forest. Let's go with her and see what is there in the forest. Okay. Yes, this is called which tree, children? Have you seen such kind of tree in your locality? See, this is called a teak tree, or you can say teak wood tree. Here also you have sandalwood tree, isn't it? You cannot see such kind of trees in your locality. Only when you are going, as I told you, from one town to another town, you can see such kind of tree beside the roads, isn't it? So today she is going to introduce us about these trees. And next, they are surrounded by some creepers with the fragrant flowers. See, can you see on the screen? Yes, these trees have creepers around them, and then the creepers are of flowers which are having a fragrant smell or fragrant, what do you say, smell. So like that she is introducing us. And next, there are so many animals. Usually if I take the name of the forest, what do you think? You think about the lion, tiger, elephant, isn't it? So there are so many wild animals which are going to live in the forest, isn't it, children? So there may be deer, or you can say panda, bear. There are plenty of animals which are living in the forest because the forest is the house for them, isn't it? So these forests, especially children, they are giving us, specially give us shades in the forest, isn't it, children? So not only shades, what they give else? They give us fruits. Which fruits they can give us? Especially in the forest, you can get plenty of fruits. For example, jambu fruit. It's very yummy, isn't it? So this you can get in the forest as well as outside also. So next you have jackfruit, and then mango, and then gooseberry, papaya. So there are many more fruits which are available in the forest, so that the animals they can eat the fruits, isn't it? Not only the animals, even we are also eating the fruits. Some vendors they are growing the plants or trees in their land. Otherwise, some of the people which are living outskirts of the jungle or at forest, they used to get the fruits from the forest. Okay, so these forests, they give not only shadow, not only fruits, and they give us plenty of variety flowers, as you know. So instead of this, they give us a lot of medicines which you are getting. For example, ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ನೋಯ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಅಮ್ಮ ನಿಮಗೆ ಟ್ಯಾಬ್ಲೆಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಅಥವಾ ಏನೋ ಕಷಾಯ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ದಟ್ ಕಷಾಯ ಇಟ್ ಕಂಟೈನ್ಸ್ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಹರ್ಬ್ಸ್. ವಿ ಯೂಸ್ವಲಿ ಸೇ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಒನ್ ಆಸ್ ಹರ್ಬ್ಸ್. ಹರ್ಬ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್? ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್. ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರೋವಂಥದ್ದು ತುಂಬ ವೆರೈಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಮ್ಮ our ancestors, they used to prepare the medicines by using the herbs which are available in the forest. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ನೀವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋವಂಥ ಮೆಡಿಸಿನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಟ್ರೀ ಇದೆ, ನೀಮ್ ಟ್ರೀ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ನೀಮ್ ಆಯಿಲ್ ಇದೆ, ಈ ಥರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಗೂಸ್ಬೆರಿ ಇದೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್. ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿಸ್ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ we are getting not only the fruits, not only the grass, we even get the wood from it. For example, as I have told you before, teak wood, sandal wood, alva. So honne tree, mathi tree. So these all what they are giving us wood. From that wood we are going to make furnitures. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಫರ್ನಿಚರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಈವನ್ ಡೋರ್ ಕೂಡ ವುಡ್ಡಿಂದಾನೇ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ವುಡ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ವೇರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್? ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ದಿ ಗಮ್. ಇಟ್ ಮೈಟ್ ಬಿ ಅ ಎಡಿಬಲ್ ಗಮ್ ಆರ್ ಇಟ್ ಮೈಟ್ ಬಿ whatever you are using for the craft making, that gum. It is coming from the forest itself, from the tree. And then the ink, even you can make a book or a cover from the tree itself, which are growing in the forest. Even you can get the furniture, as I have told you, and flowers and the grass, which is a food for your animals. For example, cow or other buffalo. For these animals you used to get the grass from the forest. You will get a plenty of grass over there, isn't it? So children, we are getting a plenty of uses from the trees which are in the forest, isn't it? So let's see one by one. We are taking the examples of few trees and we'll discuss about uses of those trees. Okay, shall we start with that? Let's see. Here on the screen we have teak wood tree. This teak wood, usually we take the stem part and making furnitures. It might be a bed or door, or it might be your chair. In so many things we are using this wood. And even we can make boat decks or railing from this teak wood. It grows, children, from 100 feet to 300 feet tall. See, can you see that tree? This is called teak wood tree. Okay, got this one? Okay, next we'll move on to another tree. This is called a sandalwood tree. Usually children, this sandalwood tree you won't be able to see in your locality, isn't it? Government has been banned. So the sandalwood tree is having its own fragrance. ಅಲ್ವಾ, ನೀವು ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಗಂಧ ತೆಗೆಯೋದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರ, ಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ವುಡ್. ಅದನ್ನು ಪೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ವುಡ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೀರು ಹಾಕಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅದನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಕಡೆಗೆ ಗಂಧ ಅಂತ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಈವನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಕಾಸ್ಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಯು ಯೂಸ್ ಸ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ವುಡ್. ಈವನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಪರ್ಫ್ಯೂಮ್ಸ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯೂಸ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ ದೋಸ್, ಈವನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಮೆಡಿಸಿನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಯು ಯೂಸ್ the sandalwood. And not only in this, we use the stem in the making of furnitures. So there are plenty of uses of this tree, children. This is called a sandalwood tree. Okay. So next we'll move on to another tree. This is called jambu tree. So this jambu tree is giving us lot of benefits. We are having lot of benefits from this jambu tree. For example, the fruit which is in the purple color, it is having so many medicinal values. It can cure so many diseases. So not only of one or two diseases, children, it can cure I think 300 diseases. The jambu tree. Even the oil can be also used as a medicine. So these trees are having plenty of uses to the human beings or the animals. Okay. Next we'll move on to banyan tree. Banyan tree, you usually see it on the beside the roads, isn't it? So they meant for specially our ancestors, they used to sit under these trees because of the shade, you can say. ನೀವು ಬನಿಯಾನ್ ಟ್ರೀ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಕೂತ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಬಿಸಿಲಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾದರೂ ಹೋಗಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ರೆ ಅದ್ರ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ನಿಲ್ಲೋದಾಗಲಿ ಕೂರೋದಾಗಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಯು ಫೀಲ್ ವೆರಿ ಕಂಫರ್ಟೇಬಲ್. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಅದು ನಮಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ನೆರಳು ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್. ಸೊ ನಾಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಶೇಡ್, it gives us many other benefits. For example, children, the roots of this tree is, ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ರೂಟ್ಸನ್ನು ಬ್ರಷ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ your teeth will become strong, even the gums also. So the bark and these seeds of this tree can be used as a medicine or as a tonic. It gives us strength to our body. So these trees are very useful for us. Each and part of the plant or a tree is very helpful to us. Okay children, so this is called a banyan tree. It can live for plenty of years, for example 300 years or more than that, 500 years, like that. Okay, so next comes here on the screen we have Pongamia, or you can say Pongamia. So this one, Pongamia, usually you see in the forest or rarely you can see beside the roads. So this is meant for specially ornamental tree. For example, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಸುಂದರವಾಗಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ನೀವು ಫ್ಲವರ್ಸ್ನಿಂದ ಡೆಕೋರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಸೊ ಅದೇ ಥರ ರೋಡ್ಸನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಸತಿ ಒಂದು ಡೆಸ್ಟಿನಿದಿಂದ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಡೆಸ್ಟಿನಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ರೋಡ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ನೀವು ಅಕ್ಕಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದರೆ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಟೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನು ನೋಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಯು ಫೀಲ್ ವಾವ್, ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ದೀಸ್ ಟ್ರೀ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ದೇ ಮೆಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ಆರ್ನಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಪರ್ಪಸ್. ಸೊ ರೋಡ್ ಹತ್ರಕ್ಕಾಗಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಮನೆ ಮುಂದಾಗಲಿ, ಸೊ ಈ ಥರ ಈ ಟ್ರೀನ ಹಚ್ಚಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇವನ್ the flowers which are growing in this plant, it is having its own typical fragrant, so that it attracts more than 100,000 insects to it. ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅದು, ಇದರ ಫ್ರಾಗ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಇದರದ್ದು ಸುವಾಸನೆ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಸುವಾಸನೆ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದು ಒಂದು ಟಿಪಿಕಲ್, ಅದನ್ನು ನೀವು ತಗೊಂಡ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ ಓ ಇದು ಪೊಂಗಾಮಿಯಾ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಟದ್ದನೇ ಸ್ಮೆಲ್ ಫ್ರಾಗ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಪೊಂಗಾಮಿಯಾ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಟದ್ದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ. ಸೊ ನಮಗೆ ಆ ಥರ ಆಗ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ, ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಇನ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಅವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತವೆ, ಫ್ಲವರ್ ಆ ಥರ ಫ್ರಾಗ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಇದೇನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಫ್ರಾಗ್ರೆಂಟ್, ದ ಫ್ಲವರ್ ಇಟ್ ಅಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು 1, 2, 3 ಇನ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ಸನ್ನು ಅಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ 100,000 ಇನ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ಸನ್ನು ಅದು ಅಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಫ್ಲವರ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ ನಿಮಗೆ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಸಿಗ್ನಿಫಿಕೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪೊಂಗಾಮಿಯಾ ಫ್ಲವರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಪೊಂಗಾಮಿಯಾ ಟ್ರೀ. ಗಾಟ್ ಇಟ್? ಓಕೆ.